Hi there and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Great announcement today. That is that we have acquired exclusively fold and sliding door handles for replacement or repair of handles on bifolding doors. All that used to be manufactured in Bradford by fold and sliding doors. We've got white, as you can see here. It's also got a new pin in the side of it, which gives it more strength when people are trying to use the handle. It's been a problem in the past, but it's cured. It's cured now. So we've a nice white one. We've also got it in black. And finally, we've got it in brushed stainless steel. So they're here, they're ready to go. Hope if anybody has any problems this summer, give us a call or get onto your computers, iPads or iPhones and get in touch with UPVC Spares for Repairs.